Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to duplicate a board or template in Miro 2025. Duplicating a board is perfect if you want to reuse the same setup or start from an existing project without changing the original. Step 1. Open your Miro dashboard. Find the board you want to duplicate. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see 3 dots appear in the top right corner of the board thumbnail. Step 2. Click the 3 dots to open the Options menu. Then choose Duplicate. Miro will create a copy of that board instantly. You'll see it appear in your dashboard, usually right next to the original one. Step 3. Rename your duplicated board by clicking on its title. Give it a clear name so you can easily tell it apart from the original. Step 4. If you want to duplicate a specific template instead, open the template from the gallery, click on Use Template, and then save it as a new board. That gives you your own editable copy. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.